Hello everyone, I hope you all well. My name is Clara Clarissa and I am a student in Venusian online class. I will try to make a restatement from two video for my personal assessment in the listening session. In my first video, I heard a discussion about discussing various mountains arrangement around the world, and the beginning of the discussion they discuss a major mountain like Rockies and the Himalayas, and they discuss some mountain range around the world, and some of the mountain are Alpesians and the Cascades, which do not rank among the tallest mountain. They were also compared to the development of the Himalayas, Rockies, Andes, and Alps. Also, in the geographical discussion, they discuss the formation of each mountain. They said all of the mountains were formed within the last 100 million years. The Rocky Mountain began forming 100 million years, along with the Andes Mountain began forming about 65 million years ago through the volcanic activity. On the other side, the Alps and the Himalayas began forming about 80 million years ago through the casing action of major tectonic plates. The eastern part of the North America has older mountain far from this mountain, the Alpesian. I hope I say it right. Used to be big and majestic mountain. They began forming more than 400 million years ago. As I remember, they was like 100 million years older than the Rockies. Began forming perhaps leveling the Himalayas. However, this mountain has been eroded by the force of the nature, so they don't have the same height as they used to. Well, that's all for the first video assessment. Let's continue for the second video. In the second video, there were a student consulting with an advisor to decide which biology class to take. He seems to be confused which course to take because of the similarities. One of the introduction to biology class and the other one is biology 101. There's a difference between these two courses. Introduction to biological class and the introduction to biological science is like an overview of a biology in more general way. The other side, the biological 101 is more like detailed and scientific view of material. Also, in biology 101 has more work lab as part of it, and there's no work lab in the introduction in biology science, so it's like a full lecture class. These two courses have to do something thing in his major, so it's really important to understand the difference between these two. Unfortunately, in his first year, he doesn't need to declare his major until the end of his second year, but also it's better to make a certain decision a little bit earlier. So that's all for my personal assessment and listening selection. Thank you.